Hello, my dear students. Wish you very warm good morning. This is Irfana Mulla from Anna Saheb Magar Mahavidyalaya, Hadapsar, Pune. I welcome you in my YouTube channel Irfana Mulla's Bio Hub. I again welcome you in superb and amazing session. This will important for you for NEET examination and other competitive examinations of biology. In today's session, we will discussing about topic number 3, inheritance and variation from 12th biology. In this topic we will discussing near about 15 different MCQs which will help you to crack NEET examination. Our first MCQ is the chromosomal theory of inheritance was proposed by option number 1 Sutton and Boveri, option B Watson and Crick, C Miller and Urey, and D Oparin and Helden. From these four options, the correct option for that question is option number A. That means Sutton and Boveri, because the chromosomal theory of inheritance is firstly put forth by Sutton and Boveri after studying the parallel behavior of genes and chromosome during meiotic division. So the correct option for that question is option number A, Sutton and Boveri. Now the next question. A colorblind man marries a woman who is homozygous for normal color vision. The probability of their son is being colorblind is ... Option A 0%, B 25%, option C 50%, and option D 100%. The correct answer for that question is option number A 0%. Next question. Which one of the following character is recessive in case of pea plant? Option A axial flower, B green pod, C green seed, and D inflated pod. The correct option for that question is option number C, that is a green seed, because when we cross yellow seed with the green colored seed, then it shows 3:1 ratio in their F1 generation. That means 3 are yellow and 1 is green, so that yellow color is dominant over green. And so the correct option for that question is option number C, green seed. Now the fourth question. When phenotypic and genotypic ratio are the same, then it is an example of ... Option A incomplete dominance, B complete dominance, option C multiple allele, and option D cytoplasmic inheritance. The correct answer for that question is option number A, that is incomplete dominance. After that, we will discussing the question number 5. Question number 5. Inheritance of ABO blood group is due to ... Option A incomplete dominance, option B complete dominance, C polygyny, and D codominance. The correct option for that question is option number D, codominance, because in ABO blood group system, A and B genes are the codominant. That is, this will expressed whenever the gene is present. The O gene is silent and only expressed when neither A nor B is present. So the correct option for that question is option number D, codominance. Next question. 6. A cross between an individual with unknown genotype for a trait with recessive plant for that trait is ... Option A back cross, B reciprocal cross, C monohybrid cross, and D test cross. The correct option for question number 6 is option D test cross. Next, question number 7. Which of the following is not X-linked disorder? Option A hemophilia, B night blindness, C hypertrichosis, and D myopia. For question number 7, the correct option is option C hypertrichosis. Hypertrichosis means hairs are present on ear pinna, and this character which we observe in only males. And hypertrichosis is due to the Y-linked disorder. Most of the researches of hypertrichosis is inherited from father to the son, so it is Y-linked disorder. So the correct option for question number 7 is C, that is hypertrichosis. Question number 8. Which of the following is called Pleader's disease? Option A anemia, B thrombocytopenia, C polycythemia, and option D hemophilia. The correct option for question number 8 is hemophilia, that is option number D, because hemophilia is X-linked recessive disorder in which blood fails to clot or coagulate. That means blood continuously oozes from their injuries, and so called it as a Pleader's disease. Next question, question number 9. Which of the following is phenotypic ratio of incomplete dominance in Mirabilis jalapa plant? Option A 2:1:1, option B 1:2:1, option C 3:1, and D 2:2. The correct option for that question is option number B 1:2:1. Question number 10. If the centromere is situated near the end of chromosome, the chromosome is called option A metacentric, B acrocentric, C submetacentric, and D telocentric. The correct option for that question is option number D telocentric, because telo means end. Question number 11. Crossing over occurs at the time of ... Option A diplotin, B pachytene, C liptotin, and D zygotin. The correct option for that question is option number B pachytene, because during pachytene stage, two sister chromatids of homologous pairs comes in contact with each other, and so crossing over is occurred. So the correct option for that question is option number B pachytene. Question number 12. If the genes are located in a chromosome as PQRST, which of the following gene pair will have least probability of being inherited together? Option A P and Q, option B R and S, option C S and T, option D P and S. The correct option for that question is option number D P and S. Now the question number 13. Down syndrome is represented by ... Option A n+1, B 2n+1, C 3n plus 1, and D n minus 1. The correct option for that question is option number B 2n plus 1. Means in Down syndrome, extra copy of 20th chromosome is attached to the 21st chromosome, and they are not able to separate because of disjunction during the gamete formation. So the correct option for question number 13 is option B 2n plus 1. Question number 14, RBC is changed due to ... Option A sickle cell anemia, B hemophilia, C Down syndrome, and D Turner syndrome. The correct option for that question number 14 is option number A sickle cell anemia. In sickle cell anemia, RBC becomes sickle shaped, and after that sickle shaped RBCs are going to burst, and so correct option for that question is option number A sickle cell anemia. Now we are going to discuss last question. Question number 15. ... chromosome is genetically less active. Option A X chromosome, option B Y chromosome, option C X and Y chromosome, and D none of them. The correct option for that question is option number B, that is Y chromosome, because X chromosome is much larger than Y chromosome, and so it carries sustainability more active genes than the Y chromosome, and so Y chromosome is less active than the X chromosome. After that, I will again tell you the correct options from question number 1. For question number 1, the correct option is option number 1. Sutton and Bovary. Question number 2, the correct option is 0%. For question number 3, the correct option is option C, green seed. Question number 4, option number B, incomplete dominance. Question number 5, option D, codominance. Question number 6, option number D, test cross. 7, option number C, hypertrichosis. For question number 8, correct option is hemophilia, that is option number D. For question number 9, the correct option is 1:2:1, that is option number B. Question number 10, option number D, that is telocentric. Question number 11, option B, Pachytene. Question number 12, P and S, that is option D. Question number 13, 2n plus 1, that is option number B. For question number 14, the correct option is option number A, sickle cell anemia. And for last question, question number 14, the correct option is option number B, that is Y chromosome. Thank you, students. Thank you very much for your kind watching.